name is Timofei. I'm a machine learning engineer from Innowise. Innowise is a custom software development company and also provider of a wonderful solution, LOKA, which is, let it be a library of the human body, full anatomy book with a lot of pathologies. I'm a machine learning engineer here and representing AI and ML team today. Machine learning and AI is the new internet, is the internet of 20s. So main thing that everybody should understand that there's no need to be scared of AI. You should get used to it, you should implement it, you should work with it because it's now impossible not to do. Everybody will speak of it, everybody will try to do it, and in order to stay at the edge of the technology, you should be trying to use it and trust the experienced guys who've been doing it for years. So especially in pharma, when the technology can save life in a really big manner, I believe AI should definitely find the room to make that. As it for me, and as from our experience, Pharma is a little bit skeptic about resources and who might complete a project for them. But nowadays, they're like really small group of scientists who can be professional in both pharma and machine learning and AI. So I would show it in the speech that today there is a day to build like a bridge between machine learning engineer from advanced different domains into the pharma, so we can elaborate best knowledge that we have into this really important domain. So kind of like it, don't hesitate to try. And another thing is that as for me, pharma is less open science than machine learning is. And for me, there should be like an additional environment for experiments where machine learning engineers, pharma experts can try, and not in parallel for like KPIs and business goals, because without huge experience in machine learning, we wouldn't have such wonderful algorithms and applications that we have right now. So maybe there is also room in pharma for it. First of all, in our company, we stick to the most regulations like hyper-compliance, different ICO standards. So that's like the common manner for us, not only in pharma, but in every domain. And also our developers and our other experts are well trained within the cybersecurity like best practice in order to, when we use the data, how we're sharing the sensitive information between each other, how do we communicate when we're like doing the code, like so isolated environments and so on. So we're definitely prepared for this change. The main thing that we've been trying to highlight in the speech is that the bridge can like make ML and pharma closer. And what does it specifically give to pharma is the opportunity to try, first of all. When you'll have like more experienced guys with different domains, with already made, let's say, AI bases, yeah, they can definitely show you the best practice that's coming. And this is really the opportunity to try something, like to create small features. Despite from that, if we're talking about outstaffing company like us, there's also an opportunity to try faster. Yeah, so we can benefit you with growing faster, with providing best knowledge, with providing really valid commitment, and with faster onboarding and like resources selection. Like, okay, here's us, here's our team, like this will be the best match for you, and they're here and ready. Yeah, and when it's coming to a usual hiring, yeah, it's more complicated. And of course, commitment to colleagues, like in outstaffing, it's less. So I think it's also like really good way to experiment. I'm really excited about like as everybody here, the use of Gen AI here. I believe we're definitely in a place right now when we're trying to understand Gen AI better, because one of the things is that it's a new technology. In most of the terms, we don't have experience. When you're doing a drug, you need to take 10 years. And for the Gen AI, okay, we're in the edge for the year or maybe for 2. Yeah, so I'm really excited where it will go. Yeah, so we need to try now. We need to take more time in order to become more experienced with it. Maybe there are some hidden gems that we didn't try before. And pharma is such a, let's say, hard domain. That all of the prompt engineers or models should be tested really validly, and you should be really specific with what you're doing. And when you're trying to do super specific and super targeted, you can unlock these hidden gems. So I hope that we or somebody else will bring this gem into the big production one day. Yeah. First tip will be work with your data from the first days that you run a company. Label everything, store everything in a digital format that written from computer. Yeah, not do anything in paper. First of all, it's environment safeness, and then it will help AI and ML engineer to work with your data, because we have so many cases when business came, okay, we have data, but it's not labeled. So it's just a bag of words. We have it, help us with understanding. And okay, then it's gonna be half of a year of labeling and designing, and because it wasn't a practice in the company, and they might need a special software for that. And if you're doing it from the first day, yeah, you will definitely benefit in the end. Some of the companies are doing it, and they can have another problem that they don't know what to do with the data, because it's such an amount. But it's much better than don't have anything at all. And another tip, yeah, so when you realize that you're ready to try, or you think that you're ready to try something in terms of AI and machine learning, you have some ideas, don't hesitate to ask somebody experienced, and hey, we have this and this, maybe we can achieve something, and somebody will find an answer for you. Yeah, and you will benefit from the second day. So first of all, again, we can come to our bridges between knowledge sharing from not domain technical experts. Yeah, so let's summarize a bit. Yeah, try to reuse best practice and best knowledge from other domains. It not always should come from pharma. Try to be open-minded here. Of course, there should be a specific integration process, okay, that is not maybe manufacturing or something, of course. But some of the things to definitely use it, because it's, first of all, in terms of AI and ML, from my department, it's a science. Yeah, we have a mathematics under the ground of it. So yeah, one day we'll speak on one level. So sounds like it. So first of all, just do it. Our presentation was regarding our overview and our experience in how pharma companies can benefit from AI nowadays, what challenges they might observe, and where to seek for help, and how to make these bridges once again. Yeah, so we think that now it's definitely the time when we can share experience, when development services can work together with pharma, and it should come from commitment, first of all, that if we want technology and we want to help with pharma in such very important medical domain, we'll definitely try to. Yeah. It was a wonderful audience. It's wonderful questions for each speaker. Yeah, so I must say that when some attendee asks the question, asks his name and his position, he's definitely tailored to find something for his company or their company. I believe it's great. Overall conference is a great opportunity to find something, to find maybe somebody who thinks the same, so a proof of your theory or something like that. Yeah, so it was great to hear both attenders, their speeches, and the questions from others. I must say, so it was quite fast, and everybody inspired me in a different manner. I really like the speech from Novo Nordisk, so they made a wonderful large language model application, and finally, for somebody, so large language model application been here for a while, and we have somebody who really completed it for pharma in a really mature level. So a lot of POCs is running right now, but they have an MVP right now, and it's wonderful to listen from this guy, to sit near around them. Yeah, of course, we also implemented such solutions already in different domains, but to find somebody else and see, okay, we're doing the same thing. Wow, that's good. And also from the white label, because also a lot about the way they are transforming right now, and how we should think about this. As he mentioned, it was Drunk Islands about the AI hallucinations. I like this theory. It's definitely, yeah, so they inspire me a lot. Organization, like, it's almost perfect. Yeah. So every time when I had a question, I had an answer. Yeah, I have our personal managers. She's really supportive, and also understands the coffee break area, so the food, the management of the our travels here. So everything's super. Yeah. I feel comfortable. It's one of the important way here. I don't feel like I should think about like, okay, where I will be, where I will eat. Everything is prepared for me, and I like. This is great. I would say I want to like say thank you very much.